Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have Ford. As you look at it here, 2018 Ford, yeah, beautiful. FTX All-Terrain 2018. That's a beautiful car. So what we need to do is we need to add a key to this car. Hold on, please. Okay, today we are trying to add a key. Those are the key that one key is already working. I don't know which one, but I know that's okay. This one, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, this is the original one. Is work. I don't know. This is two of them here. We're gonna add those. The first, I'm gonna try to use Maxi IM608. Also, we have to come in this place here and move this. Let me turn the light on and move this the piece here. Hold it like this and then take it out. In there is a place we're gonna put the key that we need to program inside. We're gonna add keys. So let's see if we'll be able to program this car. I'm gonna come here, come to the maximum. I don't know if you need internet or not, but IMO. Okay, I was doing a car before, so let's try to get out of it completely. This is a diesel truck, by the way. IMO. Accept. Ford. Automatic selection. Read the VIN. Ignition must be on, please. Yes, ignition on. Because the ignition will read again. Because yes, now I have the VIN on. Before, because the ignition is not there, I will say okay. It will decode the key for me. 2018 Ford Super Duty 2017 to 19 smart key. Yes. Scan. Let me scan it first. I believe 2018. If you want to, okay, vehicle information. This is okay. Add a key. 3-step star. We don't have no factory alarm. Okay, we say yes. It's normal that the instrument panel turn black when performing. Okay, yes. Turn the ignition on, position or open and close the driver door. Success. 3 to 10 minutes. You believe that? And this is F Series Super Duty. Ignition turn off. Let me turn this off. This is Super Duty. It's so good, so beautiful car. That means we have no problem. If we are able to program this car with these tools, it's not bad. If you are using the dealer tools, it will force you or oblige you or give you obligation to get a NASTAF password. And here I say about 3 to 10 minutes, but in some cars it take only 1 minute. But Ford computer force you to do the whole 10 minutes, no matter what. I'm gonna wait for it a little bit. I'm gonna freeze it so that I'm gonna stop the recording. So at least we are not gonna consume 5 minutes just looking at the screen. Also, you see, sometime the dashboard come on and come back by itself, and I try to stop the screen, but okay, you see here, it make it 2 minutes, like 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. Okay, place the smart key to be learned into the slot in the armrest box, in the cup holder, in the glove box. So some of them in the glove box, some of them here, some of them there. So I put it there, and I already have 2 keys. So I say, okay, learning key, please wait. If it's learned, it's gonna be 2 keys. I mean 3 keys. If it doesn't learn, that means this key is no good. It shouldn't take long. I put it there. Wow, it says fail. Do you want to learn again? Say yes. So that one fell. I don't know why it fell. Let me put the other one. This is the original one. Let me put this one also. Say okay. Communication fell. Maybe FCC is not the same. This fell. No. Learning fell. Those key could be something else. I don't trust them. My own key work. So what I'm gonna do is I will go get from another company or anything, or get original one from the dealer to put it in. Yeah, something wrong with the system. Please subscribe, share, and like. Those key are aftermarket key. They don't work. I don't want to do parameter reset, which it doesn't make sense to do it, and I'm gonna delete all the keys and I get it stuck. Maybe there is a problem in the cup holders, that this car is modified and it doesn't want to take it. Or maybe those keys are not okay. What I'm gonna do, I have to go and order original one, and then I take it from there. Maybe there is a problem here too. Okay, so everything is possible. That one work. Please subscribe, share, and like, and we're gonna wait for another video to see, and we take it from there. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Always try to have at least one original key if you are a locksmith next to, or a computer programmer next to, or get original key. Get original key work better than you assuming this and that. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. Muhammad Harun Idris.